Hi, I'm Nathan from Sustainability WA. Energy efficiency is a broad term, and what a house energy rating is can be confusing, so I'm here to simplify it for you. Let's say you want to build a new house or renovate your existing one. You have your plans by your architect or building designer, and you're now ready to apply for the building licence. Before your council will give you a building permit, you need to prove that your house meets the energy efficiency requirements of the National Construction Code, or NCC for short. The NCC has lots of pages with complicated formulas and requirements about how to comply with energy efficiency. So the easiest way to make sure your house complies is to take it to an accredited assessor like us, Sustainability WA. We take your plans and model it up in a house energy rating software. Now, we don't need to know if there are solar panels on the roof or what your existing washing machine is. That is not the energy we are worried about. We want to look at the fabric of the house and how much heat and cold it lets in and how much heat and cold it allows to escape. We look at the construction and how much insulation there is in the roof, ceiling, walls, floor, and importantly, what type of glass there is and how much. We then work out how much energy will be required to keep the occupants, you, at a comfortable temperature. How much energy will be required to heat this house, expressed as a heating load, and how much energy will be required to cool this house, expressed as a cooling load. These heating and cooling loads are expressed as megajoules per square metre per annum. If the megajoules calculated are less than required, your house passes. The less megajoules of energy your house uses, the higher the star rating of the house. If your house doesn't pass, then we will need to give you some advice about how to change the insulation or windows in your house to reduce the energy used and pass the requirements. Once that is done, we issue you a certificate and you're on your way to building. Need more information about energy efficiency? Just drop us a line or give us a call.